My name is Mahika. I am 13 years old. I am presently studying in 9th standard and my school name is RSVK. First, when I knew about the midbrain activation course, I enrolled my name into that, and after that they had a course named speed reading course. So I just went into that to experience that speed reading activity into myself. And now the first day speed in that course was 186 words per minute, and after that 4 days course my speed immensely increased to 1037 words per minute. That was a great achievement of mine, and I know which will help me in future to progress in studies and will help me to increase my percentage. Thank you.
Good evening friends, actually my name is Anjali. I am the founder of TNG International Preschool. We are in Surat. We are having the chain of preschools, and my child Mahika Yadav and Ravi Shankar Yadav, these two have attended this Empower Mind workshop. This is a mid-brain activation program. After this workshop they have changed drastically. Without seeing also, my child can identify the colors, he can see everything. Now he is doing the coloring on the with the blind eye fold. And my daughter have attended the speed reading also. After the speed reading program, they have changed drastically in their reading. And now my daughter can read per minute thousands words around. And my son has improved a lot, 1500 words per minute. So I can tell about this program. This program is wonderful, that can help every child in every way. If any child want to excel in studies or anything, they have to come for mid-brain activation program and speed reading program. And thank you Empower Mind, as you people are organizing these kind of camps. I am really thankful, grateful to you, to your programs. Thank you very much.